Okay, cool. So, get dream keys. Let's check this one out, shall we? So the game was made by Jint Hwang. It was made for the HonestDanGames 3, along with a couple of other jams. Let's go and play this game. So A and D control left and right movement. W controls up and down movement. Let's give this a go. A simple puzzle platform game. I hope you like it. I finished a jam for the first time. I'm so happy. Okay. I think I need to explain how the three themes are reflected in my game because I'm not very good at English. If my understanding is wrong, I hope you can point it out. Opposites. My understanding is a bit like cat and mouse. Dream. This game takes place in a little girl's sleep. If I can find the key each level, the little girl will have a sweet dream. Otherwise, it'll be a nightmare. That's great that they managed to combine like three things together. All right, let's give this a go, shall we? As it's in a browser, we'll just pop over to Edge and check this out. Kapow! I need to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, a little bit loud. So the music was made by someone else, I believe. I mean, I don't know if they're on their team, but regardless, it's pretty nice though. Look at our little character. Let's get this full screen. Okay. So we move to the left and right. Are they coming down the stairs? Okay. How do we... Uh-oh. What happens if we go off the edge? How are we... Can I... How do we... Oh! Oh, okay. You can... They go down the stairs. Uh-oh. Did I bug them? I don't really know how I made them go down the street, down the stairs. But now they have a lovely, sweet dream. So you can just press W once and they go up the stairs. So I'm guessing this door will lead... Oh, could have I just taken the doors? I think it was just teaching me that you can use doors as well. Okay, go back in it now. Swap. Oh, did it get me? No. Okay, it was a bit hacky. Okay, so we got to lead him down the... I'm not too sure how we'll do it. How do we... If we do this and then... I was hoping they were going to sneak a little bit more to the side. So I feel we need to bait them down. So we've got to go here. Got to get out of the way. Do they go instantly right? Yeah, they do. Oh, no! No! Please stop chasing us! No! How are we going to solve this one? No, it's not going to work to sneak behind it. I think it might be a case of... If we do this, will it still come for us? No. So we've got to somehow now... could have I gone the other side of the door? So last time what I did was I just jumped over the edge. Ah, okay, so they do just follow. Okay, that makes more sense now. Let's go. Sleep tight. Okay, so we fall off the platform here. Are they gonna... Okay. We'll lure them off the edge and then run them round. Go, go, go. This way, this way. Come after me. Come on, come on. Yeah, I think I got some weird stuff happened on the first level where I didn't quite process what was going on. So I don't think I learned the mechanics properly. Yeah. Oh, now there's two of them. Alright, I think I... Go back in, go back in. No! Okay. I think we gotta give this a little bit of time. Right, so now we could probably just kite him off the edge here. Will that work? And then we need to lure this one off the edge and then come back up. Yeah. We tricked you. Good. The start of this puzzle is the exact same as the last one, which is a little bit of a shame in terms of variance. It's the same other than like one more set of stairs at the end. So we could trick him all the way to the floor, but I think like this was the right way to do it. Just need to be quick here. No, they didn't see me! Drat. Maybe this one will trigger him. No. I need you to stay there so they saw me, otherwise they don't follow. Alright, it's okay. If anything, we got more time now, right? I'm trying to think how you could build on this. Like the puzzle side of it is interesting, but whether you could make it a bit more mechanically challenging from a platforming point of view, or like nice satisfying animations or something like that, that could be an interesting way to add to it. Okay, how do we go up here? Which way are we going to bait these off? There's two keys though. Oh yeah, it says at the top we need two keys. We need to time this. So this one goes for me and this one goes for me. I think I needed that key, but we'll keep going. I think it's like once you aggro them, you basically you can kite them as long as you're not. They're both following you. It'd be difficult if they reset back to their previous aggro. Oh, and this could be challenging as well. I think we're going to get caught, so we need to do a bit of a merry-go-round. Okay, cool. So that was unexpected for me. I almost died. Here we go. Gotcha. Hey, and then we're back to level 1. See, what we didn't realise last time is we could have just taken the door and gotten it like that. Nice. Hey, is that smaller? What's happened to it? Oh, that's odd. Okay, a little bug we came across. But we were back on level 2, so that did work. Maybe just level 2 didn't reset properly. Not 100%. But Cool. That was cool. Let's go and write some feedback on this. So, view the submission. Okay, cool. Congrats on completing the game jam entry. Just finished it. I thought it had some good puzzling mechanics to it. I didn't realize I could go through the door in the first level, so ended up somehow using the stairs to get past. This meant I didn't quite learn the lesson I was meant to learn, but I picked it up by the second and third level. Be interesting if you could build the platforming mechanics to be more complex and interesting for the player. The puzzles were interesting enough, or more skill-based jumping and timing. After completing, I replayed first level, and when I got to the second level, the enemy was just stuck in the door and a smaller size than usual. So I think that was a bug. Thanks for taking part. Okay, cool.